the similarities that I hear from creatives in a lot of different spaces about the fact that LLMs, AI models, are trained. Because they're trained, they're a reflection of the information, the data that was used and given to them. So it's one thing for it to understand everything that was in vogue for decades, but it's still using that to complete its thought as opposed to necessarily having the ability to create something original. How do we define beauty? How do we define things that look good? I can quote from your blog post, the algorithm didn't invent our biases. It learned it from the data, from our bias. I decided to ask a question to ChatGPT. Without using memory or searching the web, can you use your training data to create a realistic photo of what you see as the most beautiful man and woman standing together? I'm going to turn my laptop over.
I'm scared.
So this is what it sees. Then I said to make it for Maryland, and it updated it so now she's wearing a red dress and it's the state capitol picture in the background. So it didn't do that much. But it comes to this whole idea of like, how do we define beauty? How do we define what looks good? Does that change the way that you think about fashion, or does it worry you about the impact that tools like AI might have and how we define fashion?